To create a nutrition facts label, we need to have a recipe first. This means a list of ingredients and a weight % for each ingredient. In this exercise, we will learn how to build a formula or recipe. We will start off by providing a formula name and ID. This is needed to save the formula in a later exercise. Next, we will add the ingredients that make up the formula. We will add recipe amounts for each ingredient. TechWizard uses this to calculate a weight % for each ingredient. This example starts in the labeling section. To go to the labeling section, select the labeling menu. Click Labeling section from the View group. Clear any existing formula by clicking the Clear Formula button. Click the Yes button to verify you wish to clear the formula. The first thing we will do is enter a formula name and ID. Click the formula name and ID box. In the window that appears, enter the formula name Strawberry Low-Fat Yogurt. Enter the formula ID of T0002. Notice that there is a place to enter notes. We can also attach a file to this formula. Click the OK button. The formula name and ID are now displayed here. Next, we are going to add the ingredients that make up this formula. Click the Add Ingredients button. In the Add Ingredients window, find and select low-fat yogurt. Click the Add button. Next, select Strawberry Base and click the Add button again. Each ingredient is added to the current formula list box. You can also double-click an ingredient to add it to the formula without clicking the Add button. Now that all our ingredients have been added to the formula, click the Close button to close the Add Ingredients window. We will enter recipe amounts for each ingredient. Select the labeling menu. Click Enter Recipe from the formula group. In the Enter Recipe window, select Low-Fat Yogurt. Enter 80 in the amount box. Select pounds in the Select Units drop-down. And click the Update button. The updated values for the ingredient will be displayed in the list box. Select Strawberry Base. Enter 20 in the amount box. Select pounds in the Select Units drop-down. And click the Update button. You can also use the Enter key on your keyboard instead of clicking the Update button. Now that all the ingredient amounts and units have been entered, click the OK button to close the recipe entry window. We now have a formula. A formula is composed of ingredients and the amount of each ingredient on a weight % basis. This completes our presentation.